Have you ever heard of the Great Molasses Flood of 1919 in Boston? It was a seemingly ordinary January day when a massive steel tank containing over 2.3 million gallons of molasses suddenly burst, unleashing a deadly wave upon the city's north end. Imagine a 25-foot high tsunami of sticky, sweet syrup racing through the streets at 35 miles per hour, obliterating everything in its path. Buildings crumbled, horses drowned, and 21 people tragically lost their lives in the chaos. The cleanup took weeks, with molasses staining the harbor for months and lingering in the memories of Bostonians for years. This bizarre disaster, often overshadowed by larger historical events, serves as a chilling reminder of the unexpected dangers lurking in industrial advancements, and it continues to be a captivating chapter in America's storied past.